Good morning, students. In our last class, we discussed about basic definitions in magnetic properties. Today, we will discuss about origin of magnetic moment. First of all, in general, the magnetic momentum of atom. In general, the magnetic momentum of atom originate from three sources. They are first one, orbital motion of electron. Second one, spin motion of electron. Third one, nuclear spin. In general, the magnetic momentum of atom originate from three sources. They are orbital motion of electron, spin motion of electron, and nuclear spin. First of all, we discussed about orbital motion of electrons. Orbital motion of electrons. Let us consider an atom in which there is single electron revolving around the positive nucleus. The magnetic moment possessed by an electron which is revolving around the nucleus is given by mu m is equal to I into A. The magnetic momentum possessed by an electron which is revolving around the nucleus is given by mu m is equal to I into A. The basic definitions of magnetic momentum is equal to product of magnetic length and pole strength. The another definition of magnetic momentum, it is the product of current and area of cross section. So already we discussed about in basic definitions the definition of magnetic momentum, mu m is equal to m into 2l, and also it can be write as mu m is equal to current into area of cross section. Mu m is equal to I into A. But we know that I is equal to E by T. I is equal to E by T. E means charge, T means time. So mu m is equal to E by T into A. That is equal to mu m is equal to E by T. T means time. Time is equal to distance by velocity. According to definition of velocity, velocity is equal to displacement by time. Here time T is equal to, we can write distance by velocity S by V. So here we can write S means distance, E by S by V means V. EV by S into A. Here distance means consider the atom having positive nucleus and the atom having only single electron revolving around the positive nucleus. The magnetic moment possessed by an electron which is revolving around the nucleus is given by mu m is equal to I into A. I is equal to charge by time. Mu m is equal to charge by time into area of cross section. Mu m is equal to EV by S into A. Here S is the distance traveled by the electron around the nucleus. So mu m is equal to EV by 2 pi r into area of cross section of the path pi r square. R cancelled, pi cancelled. Mu m is equal to EVR by 2. Mu m is equal to EVR by 2. It is the magnetic momentum expression. Mu m is equal to EVR by 2. This is named as equation 1. But according to angular momentum definition, L is equal to mvr. That implies R is equal to L is equal to angular momentum. L is equal to mvr. R is equal to L by mv. So this is named as equation 2. Equation 2 is substituted in equation 1. The magnetic momentum mu m is equal to EV by 2 into L by mv. L by mv. Here VV cancel. So origin of magnetic momentum. In general, the magnetic momentum of atom originates from three sources. They are orbital motion of electron, spin motion of electron, nuclear spin. So orbital motion of electron, let us consider an atom in which there is a single electron revolving around the positive nucleus. The magnetic momentum possessed by an electron which is revolving around the nucleus is given by mu m is equal to current into area. But according to the definition of current charge by time, the magnetic momentum mu m is equal to charge by time into area. Mu m is equal to, according to definition of the velocity, distance by displacement by time is equal to velocity. That implies time is equal to v is equal to s by t. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. That implies t is equal to v by s. So the expression for the time in terms of velocity and displacement is substituted in the equation. Mu m is equal to E into V by S into A. Mu m is equal to EV by 2 pi r into pi r square. Mu m is equal to EV r by 2. This is named as equation 1. Angular momentum L is equal to mvr. R is equal to L by mv. This is named as equation 2. So equation 2 is substituted in equation 1. Finally, mu m is equal to EV by 2 into L by mv. Finally, we can write mu m is equal to EV by UV by 2 into L by mv. VV cancel. Mu m is equal to EL by 2m. But azimuthal quantum number, according to the azimuthal quantum number, the expression for the L is equal to azimuthal quantum number definition. The expression for the L is equal to LH by 2 pi. L is equal to LH by 2 pi. So mu m is equal to E by 2m into LH by 2 pi. So mu m is equal to EH by 4 pi m into L. Here mu m is equal to mu b into L. Mu b is called Bohr magneton. Mu b is called Bohr magneton. So mu b is equal to EH by 4 pi m. Its value is 9.27 into 10 to the power of minus 24 ampere meter square. So according to definition of the Bohr magneton is a fundamental unit of atomic magnetic moment Ball magneton is a fundamental unit of atomic magnetic moment. So in this way, we can get in the magnetic momentum of an atom by orbital motion of electron. And second one, spin motion of electron. The magnetic momentum can be originated from the spin motion of electron. So the magnetic momentum possessed by spin motion of electron is mu s is equal to Eh by 4 pi m. This is also equal to mu b. This is also equal to mu b. So mu s is equal to mu b. And third one, the magnetic momentum possessed by originated from the nuclear spin. So the magnetic momentum possessed by nuclear spin is mu n is equal to Ah by 4 pi mp. Here mp is mass of proton. Here mp is mass of proton. Nuclear spin, the magnetic momentum possessed by the nuclear spin mu n is equal to h by 4 pi mp. So mp is equal to mass of proton. Here mu n is equal to 5.05 into 10 to the power of minus 27 ampere per ampere meter square. So the nuclear magnetic moments are smaller than the magnetic moments from the electrons. So it can be clearly described by using the diagram. Consider the atom having nucleus and the atom having only single electron. Consider only single electron revolved around the nucleus atom. So this is an electron revolved around the nucleus. This is positive nucleus. Total atom. This is total atom. Atom having nucleus and electron. The electron revolves around the nucleus. So the magnetic moments of an atom produced from three sources. First one orbital motion of electron. So the electron revolves around the nucleus in an orbit. Then the atom having some magnetic momentum. And second one, it is also motion of the electron, but spin motion of electron. Third one, nuclear spin. So in this way we discussed about the magnetic momentum of an atom. So finally, the magnetic momentum of an atom originates from three sources: orbital motion of electron, spin motion of electron, nuclear spin. Thank you all.